so what we've got here is our latest edition. It's a JHF large format flatbed UV digital printer. Large format, we can take a substrate from 2.4 meters wide up to 1.4 meters. The printable area is actually 1.3 meters deep. Basically any rigid substrate, because it's UV printing. We print on corrugated, we print on Corex, we print on ABS, plastic material for signage, we print on chromadeck, direct to metal, and plexiglass, which is a lot of indoor signage and all of that, clear perspex, basically everything there. So what we just cut here on the Zund GL32500 was, you've seen the router head cutting. So it was routering through 10mm M foam. While routering, you'll see that it went around a couple of times doing the pattern, so it doesn't router right through at once. It does it a little bit layer by layer, and then finally it goes around and makes a smooth finished cut. And while cutting, you'll see right in the beginning he did the registration marks. The camera picks up the dots that was printed together with the job, picks up those 4 registration marks, and he knows exactly where the line runs, and then it goes along, and there's a vacuum that sucks up all. So it's a very smooth, clean operation. Thank you. Okay, so here we've got also another edition at IPEC Digital. We've got a HP Latex 335, which what's great about this specific machine, it's for us, it's an entry-level machine, it's a small machine, it's very cost-effective. It's 1.6 meters wide, so the substrate we can put on here, 1.6 meters, is just a little, a step above the normal reel-to-reels, which comes in the 1370 wide. We're printing here on any substrate, basically, it's a flexible substrate. Right now we've got a small label job on. What we do on this HP cutter, that runs hand in hand with the Latex 335. So everything we print on the Latex 335 comes to this cutter, and the two of them talk to one another. It picks up the barcode, it gets the job ticket, it gets the cut lines and cut paths and everything, and then from there you can do either kiss cut, you can do through cutting of any media, vinyl, PVC, whatever. Right now it's doing, you see it's going to go up and down, up and down. It's doing a kiss cut right now. In other words, it's not cutting right through the media. It's just cutting, it's cutting through the self-adhesive media, but not right through the backing. And then there's also cutting, which we do right through the media, but in this case we're just doing kiss cutting.